Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE, and today I've got a Humanitarian Daily Ration menu number 4, manufactured in 2023. So let's see what it's all about. Here's one of the mains, rice with vegetables, 350 calories. Peas and tomato sauce, 280 calories. Package of crackers, 170 calories. Unfrosted toaster pastry, brown sugar, 410 calories. Oatmeal cookie, 240 calories. Shortbread cookie, 300 calories. Package of peanut butter, 170 calories. Package of strawberry jam, 70 calories. And the accessory pack. Napkin. Military spoon. Everybody knows we don't use that. We use the ForeignMRE.com spork. Salt and pepper, 2 packs of sugar, wet nap, crushed red pepper, matches, white tip, for a total of 2,880 calories. Mains are heating up in the boiling water. Let's go ahead and open everything up and get ready. Let's open up the crackers. Oh yeah. Check it out, it's broken a little bit. Smells good. And let's get the shortbread cookie out. Ooh, it did not hold up very well. Wow, it's almost powdered, but that's okay. So let's go on, the oatmeal cookie. Wow. I think this ration must have had a very rough ride. Okay, let's open up the unfrosted toaster pastry, brown sugar. One package and into another. Oh, it's broken too. But it looks good. Okay, let me get the mains. I have one of the mains, peas and tomato sauce. It has a tear, but I want to go ahead and cut it here. Still quite a bit in the package. And here's the rice with vegetables. Okay, let's dig in. Let's try the peas and tomato sauce. Those are pretty good. Those are black-eyed peas. Taste obviously the tomato, the onions, some garlic powder, paprika, and maybe some salt. Let's try the rice with vegetables. The rice with vegetables really has no flavor to it. You know, obviously there's some rice in there. Looks like some carrots, but I can't really taste a lot. So I think what we need to do on the rice with vegetables is put some pepper on there, and it's definitely going to need some salt. It is just very bland. Now peas with tomato sauce, they already have enough salt in there. All right, now let's try it. Definitely better. And let's put some crushed red pepper in. See if that spices it up a little bit. Look at that. Yeah, it's not bad. So let's try the rice and vegetables. Yeah, the rice and vegetables has to have salt, pepper, and red pepper. I mean, it just doesn't taste good without it. Okay, so let's open up the strawberry jam. Check it out. Looks good. You know, I forgot to taste the cracker first, but the cracker tastes like it's stale. Yeah, the cracker's not that good. It had a good seal to it. Let's try it with some peanut butter. And the peanut butter looks good. Peanut butter and crackers are pretty good. I mean, how can you go wrong with peanut butter and crackers? But it's very dry. Really need something to drink. Let's try the sugar cookie. Sugar cookie tastes a little bit stale also. I think this ration, when I bought it, must not have been stored correctly. Even though it's a 2023 and it's not even a year old, you know, if you store these things in the garage, they're not going to hold up. Let's move on to the oatmeal cookie. The oatmeal cookie, it has a good flavor, but it does taste a little bit stale. Let's try the brown sugar Pop-Tart. Wow, even the pastry tastes like it's old. Definitely not stored correct. I'm not going to eat anymore. No, you know, normally I'd put some peanut butter on the cookies or, you know, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, let me rate this. So the black-eyed peas and tomato sauce, they taste pretty good. So I'm going to give that a 10. Now the rice with vegetables, I give that about a 5. The Pop-Tart, at best a 5. The crackers, a little bit stale, I give them a 5. You add the peanut butter or you add the strawberry jam. I mean, I put it up at about a 7. Now the sugar cookie, it's broken, but it still tastes like it's stale. Same with the oatmeal cookie. I don't think this ration was stored correctly. Peanut butter, how can you go wrong with peanut butter? The strawberry jam, they were good. So I give both of them a 10. So that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you've ever had a Humanitarian Daily Ration menu number 4 that was good. Typically, I like these, but this one, I'm not going to eat it. Thanks for watching.